Welcome back to Automated Word, your go-to spot for the coolest tech, gadgets, and future inventions. Today, we re-diving into the newest and most exciting tech of 2025. Gadgets ULL not only love, but actually want to buy. Let's get right into it. Imagine walking around your city while your smart glasses project your map, texts, and notifications directly into your view. That's exactly what the X-Real Air 2 Ultra AR glasses are offering. With gesture controls, voice commands, and an ultralight design, these glasses are like a screen you wear, and they make reality feel upgraded. Next up, security is going airborne with the Ring. Always. HomeCam. It's a flying indoor security drone that patrols your house when you're away. Instead of multiple static cameras, this drone flies on a set path, checks every room, and then docks itself to charge. You can even view live feeds directly from your phone. Smart, sleek, and surprisingly quiet. Ever wished for real holograms without the bulky headsets? The HoloLamp XR projector is bringing that dream to life. It projects 3D visuals that float mid-air, creating holograms for gaming, design, and even presentations. It's small enough for your desk, but powerful enough to wow any guest or client. If you live in a city, commuting just got a futuristic upgrade with the Morphin's foldable e-bike. It folds into a compact size that fits in your car trunk or under your desk, yet it delivers full-size performance. With a range of up to 70 kilometers, it's designed for smooth, effortless rides without sacrificing style or storage. TVs are evolving too. Meet the LG Transparent Old TV 2025 edition. This display becomes nearly invisible when turned off, blending into your room's decor. When turned on, it delivers full 4K visuals on a transparent screen. Whether you're watching a movie or displaying art, it looks like something from a futuristic penthouse. For iPhone lovers, here's a throwback with a twist. The Click's physical keyboard case snaps onto your iPhone and brings back real tactile typing. Whether you're replying to emails or writing long posts, it gives you that satisfying keyboard feel with modern function and style. Exploring the ocean is now easier than ever with the Trident underwater drone. It can dive deep, stream 4K video, and give you a front row seat to marine life. Whether you're a diver, researcher, or content creator, this drone lets you explore places you could never reach before. If you love drones but prefer speed and thrills, check out the DJI Aveta 2. It's a first-person view drone that flies like a race car through forests, cities, or coastlines. The goggles make it feel like you're inside the drone. The obstacle sensors, crash resistance, and extended flight time, it's one of the most fun drones of the year. Now, let's talk coffee. The Ember Smart Mug 2 keeps your drink at the perfect temperature for hours. Whether you like it steaming hot or just warm, you control the heat with an app. The battery lasts longer than ever, and it's perfect for people who sip slowly while working or reading. Lastly, if you're in the Apple ecosystem, the Nomad Base 1 Max 2 is the ultimate charging pad. It wirelessly charges your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods all at once. With a solid metal body and MagSafe support, it's a beautiful addition to your desk or nightstand. These gadgets prove that 2025 is already shaping up to be a year of powerful, practical, and jaw-dropping innovation. Whether you're upgrading your tech, improving your commute, or leveling up your lifestyle, there's something here for everyone. Let us know in the comments which gadget you'd actually buy. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more weekly drops. This is Automated Word, and we'll catch you in the next one.